I'm having a wander around West Nottinghamshire today. Just to my left is the Toton Lane tram terminus, and then directly in front of me is what looks like a pond. I've never been down here before. I've always noticed it as I've sort of passed by on the tram. I'm guessing that it's some sort of overflow pond or sort of reservoir. There are life buoys here, so I'm assuming that occasionally it would fill up quite a bit, but as you can see today it's fairly empty, I'm guessing. I'm not sure if this was built or developed when the tram was first instigated in, I'm guessing, 2005, something like that, the Nottingham Express Transit, commonly known as the tram. Or maybe this has been here for a long time. I think there's a public footpath down here. It looks like there is. Certainly is on the map. Blackberries here, look. Let's try one. A bit sour, not very good at all. Looks like there would have been a with this post here and this post over here, there would have been a gate here at one time. Now it's just a footpath. The traffic you can hear in the background is the A52, which goes from Derby to Nottingham, or vice versa obviously, but eastwise I think it goes all the way to the east coast, and it starts beyond Derby. There's a footbridge here going over some sort of brook, I believe. Oh yeah, it looks like a brook. So this footpath goes all the way up to, I think it's bulk lane, and then it sort of swings around. And then I know one way goes back onto the Ingham estate. You can sort of walk round and then catch the tram back there. So it's one stop down from Toton Lane, I believe. Or if you was to cross the tram where we saw the signs earlier, you could turn left, and again that would take you down to that tram stop. I don't know what used to be on these on this land where the tram is. I don't know if it was open fields, some sort of mineral line, railway line, or maybe just a footpath. If you know, let me know in the comments below. Well, it's dry for once. and it's not too windy at all, which is great. And because it's not too windy, let's get my eye in the sky and have a look at the area from above. I am right on the edge of an FRZ here, a flight restriction zone, so I can't really travel east of where I am, but we can go straight up and maybe have a bit of a look. Then I can reposition a little bit nearer to the garden centre and have a bit of a spin round there. Let's take a look. So that is towards Beeston, Nottingham, and then if we turn to the right, that takes us up to the Toton Lane tram stop, or tram terminus. Let's walk up there and jump back on a tram and head towards Nottingham. The sun's come out now, would you believe it? We've had 2 days solid, more or less, of rain, which you can see the evidence of down here, and the sun has finally decided to shine. Hooray! Hooray! What am I going on about? And another tram on the way. Originally all these trams were just in the sort of NET green livery, and now a lot of them have got advertising around them, like a lot of similar trams in the country, not least of course Sheffield. Looks like a well-worn path at the side of the lines here. There's no signs saying that you couldn't come up here. I've already seen 2 people dog walking, so I'm following in their footsteps. Well, that was short and sweet. A little look around the area of the Toton tram terminus. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and do like this video. It really will help my channel to grow. Remember, subscribe and then you will be informed the next time. You'll get a gentle reminder next time that I load another video up to YouTube. Right, off home now. Gonna have a nice cup of tea. Then I'm out tonight to see the band, a brilliant Beatles tribute band, the Fab 2, who are playing at the Lincolnshire Poacher in Nottingham.